Hi you guys, welcome to My Curious Crafts. This is Shan, and in today's video we're going to be making a super cute Valentine's bow for Bow Wednesday. I'm also going to be using 3 different ribbons for this bow, and I wanted to give you an up-close shot to let you know what they are and to also let you know that I have them available for purchase if you're interested. Okay, so now that that's out of the way, let's get started making this bow. Okay, you guys, here we are with ribbon number 1, and we're going to have 13-inch tails and 6-inch loops. So the first thing you see me doing is measuring out 13 inches, and I'm going to put that in between the dowels. I'm going to measure out a 6-inch loop, and I'm going to put that in between the dowels. I'm going to twist, and I'm going to measure out to 6 again for a 6-inch loop. I'm going to pull that back between the dowels, and I'm going to leave me a 13-inch tail. Nope, that's not what I'm doing. I have 4 loops, so I'm going to measure out again to 6 inches. I'm going to pull the ribbon back through the dowels. I'm going to twist. Then I'm going to measure out to 6 again for a 6-inch loop, and I'm going to bring it back through the dowels. Now I'm going to cut that tail. Okay, so you guys noticed that the ribbon was giving me all kinds of trouble. Don't worry about it. Just straighten it out. Take your time. And that's only because I put it in the wrong way. I know better, but stuff happens sometimes. So I give myself a break, give myself a little bit of grace, and I keep it pushing. So you do the same. And if you want to save yourself a little bit of headache later on, make sure that those 4 loops that are 6 inches each are in an X pattern. That will help you out immensely later. Okay, here we go with our second ribbon, and we're going to have 11-inch tails and 2 5-inch loops. So you see me measure my tail, you see me measure out to 5. I bring it back through the dowels, I twist, I go over, and I repeat the same exact thing on the other side. I measure out to 11 inches, cut my tail off, and we're done with ribbon number 2, and we're going to move right on to the next. Oh, as an added tip, make sure you secure your ribbon so you don't have things rolling around. That'll help you later. Okay, you guys, can you please do me a favor if you don't mind? Follow us on our other social media sites, and the links are in the description box. Thanks, I really appreciate that. Now on to our third and final ribbon, and we're going to have 9-inch tails and 4 4-inch loops. Measure out 9-inch tails, bring it through the dowels, twist, measure out a 4-inch loop, bring that back through the dowels, do the same thing on the other side, and this time we're going to do 4 of those loops. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to measure out to 4 on the other side, we're going to bring it back through the dowels, we're going to twist, we're going to measure out 4 again, we're going to bring that back through the dowels, and we're going to measure out our tail 9 inches. We're going to cut it off. Okay, you guys, don't forget that once you're done with your ribbon, to secure it with a pin or a rubber band or something like that. That will save you headache later, trust me. Okay, so now let's secure our bow with a zip tie and add our chenille stem for tying on our bow to whatever project we're going to use it in. This is important. So we pull it up, secure the zip tie. Don't pull it tight right now, you guys, because you got to insert your chenille stem. Watch what I'm doing. I'm going to flip this bow over. We don't have it fluffed yet, so it doesn't matter. Insert that zip tie right there. I'm sorry, chenille stem. Can't talk today. Please forgive me. Pull tight. Get your diagonal cutters, snip it off. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Look at that. I need a favor, please. Give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, leave a comment, and subscribe for more super cool projects. Now, back to what we're doing. We want to ensure everything looks good, and we're going to cut our tails. So we just fold the ribbon over, cut on the diagonal, fold the ribbon over, cut on the diagonal again. Keep doing that until all of your ribbons have a nice little finished edge, because leaving it blunt is not going to be cute in the end. And what do we want? Cute, fabulous looking bows. Alrighty, good to go. Alrighty, drum roll please. The moment you've all been waiting for. The not so fun part. Fluff, fluff, fluff. Here we go. I pulled out my fluff box just because it makes it easier for me and I'm used to doing it. And that's the exact reason that I attach a longer Chanel stem onto the one that we're going to use to secure our bow to the project, because that makes it easier for me. That's the same reason why I don't use wire using this bow maker, because that makes it easier. You're going to learn different tools and tips and tricks by watching my videos and by doing these bows yourself. That's going to make things easier for you. And what do you want? Something easy, because if it's hard, you're not going to want to make beautiful bows. So we're going to make this thing easy peasy lemon squeezy. I guarantee you. Just stick with me, gals. I got you. And gents too. Here we go. I love you all. So again, welcome to my Curious Crafts. Let's have fun. Okay, so I just told you guys that I was going to give you some tips and tricks in my videos. So here's one. You know those inner tubes when you buy that mesh from the Dollar Tree? And let's face it, we all do that, but we're not going to sell that to anyone because that's not cute, honey. But we do it. So you take that inner tube and you use that to spiral your tails on your ribbons. It makes everything so much easier, and we all like easy, right? Okay, and here we go again. We're fluffing because why not? We want our bows to stand up and say, hey. I know, I know, I know. You guys have been with me for a long time already in this video, but please don't go yet. I have something that I really need to tell you. I want to say thank you so much for showing me so much support by subscribing to the channel and always leaving me really nice and favorable comments. I really appreciate it. Bye now.